People's Convention held under the aegis of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, on Wednesday announced a war on narco-terrorism. The People's Convention was held at Iboyama Shumangli La Shanglen in Manipur yesterday. Thousands of people, scholars, experts, various valley-based civil voluntary organizations and women's organizations which attended the convention jointly resolved to fight narco-terrorism. The convention also appealed to all the ethnic communities of the state to join the fight against narco-terrorism. Following the announcement of the war, the public convention has also put a ban on any kind of celebrations or festivals except religious rituals. It also resolved that the government of India should be held responsible for the ongoing crisis. The People's Convention also resolved to establish a memorial park for the martyrs who died during the conflict. Speaking at the convention, moderator of the convention R.K. Nimai and coordinator of COCOMI Jitendra Ningomba expressed about the main objective of the convention and resolution taken by the convention.
foreign cross-border sinkuki narco terrorism ni mayokta ngasi mithumna Manipur national war lauthokle la masina yekde bomaki ko pini no bidamukta lamdam masina yelong ninge himina duna laklaba fur utha mangagi miyam na lan pangsunduna sharuk yamunasi haina ngasi mithumsina Manipur da public emergency kudakti chatna bahawre Malamasina leipa ummada makal amati ki oiba harau kumai lepa amadi asi ana amadi lashunti sungi tangai phadaba natna makal amati ki thor amata tawdaba haini suyare Suyarena Anjaraga Humsuda Batoksake Narco terrorists amadi external aggressors in Ase Manipur ki Laimai ki Mapum Thana Tatok Hiduna in Tapa Hanjila ki Fawa Ekoi Kulai Kadok Yade Hoxik Nomai Lakot Katabam Matamate Nomai Pitha Katabam Matamne Hoxik Lainamna Manipur Kanana Bagamak, Miam the Noman Sinabani. Maramasina, Lainamna Kurai, Picabinama, High Wapumase, Lepak Miam the Yabakamloy. Winner, Tapat Namna, military operations to Uyaro.